think you took your advice to heart, Chris.
I hope so.
Clipboard, look out.
Clipboard and a walkie-talkie. That means I'm in charge.
Oh boy.
Are all of your cameras on?
Yep.
Are we rolling?
There you go. Okay, great. Fantastic. Thank you. I want to see some dust.
All right. Chris Demaras showing off. Take one.
Yeah.
I was impressed.
You might be a little hot in the sweater, but that's
Yeah,
up to
but I
you.
wanted to show off. You said it
Crazy.
yourself,
Yeah,
man. You know.
You're representing well. All right.
And wait, you can go.
You know this section very well. This is the good old usual left into the windmill.
Now this is supposed to be a decreasing radius.
And it is, I guess. I think it's kind of consistent. It's just wider on the way in.
Okay, let me try and stay with my hand over hand shift.
Now this one, get to the right, and then pull it back. Watch that giant bump on the outside here. That's a lot of counter steering, but you know. Late apex.
Oh yes, over this way, right?
Yeah. There you go. Nice.
I remember I was not braking anywhere near late enough last time.
Brake hard. Hard. Pretty good. Harder though.
Okay.
Tight. And slow. This is where we calm it down.
Okay. Holy
We're just
Jesus
setting,
Christ, that's narrow.
We're just setting the speed, so we're going in the usual left here. Later apex, thinking about it. We are not going down the big loop.
Thank you.
Not down the loop. Little chicane. You're going right down the hill. Think wide out here. So it's this tightening radius, really loose. Turn it. Hard. There you go. Counter and out. Good job, bro. Thank you. Yeah, good. You're going to have a left-hander up here, and you're going back around this way. You want to stay slightly outside. A little more outside. You'll see why in a second. Good. Out and in hard. Full turn. Turn.
Oh my!
Nice. Keep going. A little out and then turn hard. You don't want to be on the outside of this part. Go in. There you go. There's just a bit of a wake out there. Nice. You know this section is the same old out there. On the last right-hander that we're coming up to, think about the whole thing. Be patient. Turn. Nice.
I was a little bit confused about where the cones were.
Yeah, you seem to, and just slow up here. This is true, right? Good. Yeah, you backed off a little bit. I think you would have had a nice slide.
I didn't realize there was going to be a cone on my right. I was just going to send it sideways all the way through.
Yeah. Well, that was a recce.
Okay.
That was just your cider lap to get good to go. We're just going to stay tight on the way out of that section. Nice. Turn. You're throwing the wheel a little bit. Try to keep your hands on it. Nice. Good. You can carry a little bit more speed through there. Yeah, just try to open the ruts there. So remember, tighter through here. We're going tight in here. Tight.
You meant tight. Is that what you meant?
This apex is tighter, so we're gonna go right in the grass. Good. There you go. Yeah,
I didn't think you meant
tight. Stay wide. Stay wide. Focus. Good stuff. Nice and slow. We're calming. This is the Zen. Okay. I think later apex here just sets you up a little bit better for that next chicane. There you go. Stay straight into the chicane. Good speed. Roll through it. Think wider here. Good speed. A little more speed. Turn. Throw it in there. Nice. There you go. Nice catch. Come back. Straighten it out. Nice. Okay. Think wide. A little wider. There you go. There you go. Now toss it back.
drags a fence behind
It drags
it.
a fence behind it, yeah. It's like if you're grading a road,
Yes, yes, yes.
but if you're kind of taking the trailer park version, you get a section of fence and you drag it. Yes.
I was off the track.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
Kind of landed on the 401 instead of.
Okay.
Yeah, the track kind of goes out like that, and you kind of like cut straight across.
Really?
Yeah.
Check the footage on that one, bud.
Once you were there, I wasn't going to argue too much. I thought, you know, trying to bring it back was just it wasn't going to end well, so. You good, Trevor?
Look at that.